Okay, so I'm gonna show. This video is going to show you how to change the time on your smart control panel. First push menu, and then select clock setup, and then select change time. Right now it's 9:32. Right now it's 9:32, so push the right arrow. It's AM. Yup. Okay, so whoops, that's the wrong time. So it's 9:32. There we go. I hope this video helped you. If this video was not helpful, then let me know in the comments section and I will help you. And if you liked the video, leave a like. And I hope you subscribe to the channel. And I'm not sure when my next video will be. And have a great day.